Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to avoid electrical shorting, then jack the car and secure it on stands. This protects you and the vehicle. Once done, remove any splash shields or engine covers that block access and inspect the belt path. Take a photo or note the routing for reassembly. Make sure to have a 10 mm and 13 mm socket, a breaker bar, and a belt tool ready. These let you relieve tension safely and reach the compressor pulley. You now focus on the tensioner. Find the square or bolt head used for rotation and attach the appropriate breaker bar or ratchet. Rotate the tensioner toward the engine to release belt tension, and while holding it, slide the belt off the AC compressor pulley first. This prevents it from snapping back. Once the belt is free, slowly release the tensioner, then remove the belt entirely. Inspect the belt for cracks or glazing, and check the compressor pulley for roughness, because a bad pulley often ruins a new belt. You finish by routing the new belt exactly as your photo shows, looping it over all accessory pulleys and leaving the tensioner for last. Rotate the tensioner again, seat the belt on the compressor pulley, then release so the belt seats under proper tension. Make sure any removed bolts are torqued to spec. Finally, reconnect the battery and start the engine to observe belt tracking. If you hear squeal or see wobble, shut down. Inspect pulley bearings and alignment. Replace the bad pulley before repeating the belt fit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.